Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make hard yogurt, only ways. Heat milk to 185 degrees F, cool to 110 degrees F, add starter, and incubate long and steady. Use full fat milk for better body and strain with cheesecloth after incubation to remove whey. Keep the environment warm and avoid stirring while incubating. This method consistently yields a dense, tangy yogurt suitable for spooning, cooking, or straining into Greek style. Start with simple, reliable tools and ingredients for consistent results. A heavy pot prevents scorching, and an accurate thermometer ensures the right temperatures. Full fat milk gives the best texture, while a strong starter provides tang and cultures. Cheesecloth and a strainer help achieve firmness by removing whey after incubation. Keep everything clean to avoid off flavors, and plan for a patient, undisturbed incubation period to get hard yogurt every time. If you like this guide, please subscribe and like so I can keep making helpful tutorials. Quick recommendation: those leak-proof meal prep containers make packing yogurt snacks and strained yogurt effortless and tidy. They're great for storing portions, transport, or for gifting homemade yogurt to friends. Check the description for the product link and other deals, and if you find a favorite, tell me in the comments. Now let's get back to the video. Temperature control is the key to firm yogurt. Heating milk to 185 degrees F and holding it helps the proteins set more tightly. Cooling to 110 degrees F before adding starter preserves live cultures and ensures reliable fermentation. During incubation, keeping a steady 110 degrees F to 115 degrees F for 10 to 12 hours yields a thick, tangy result. Use an oven with light, a cooler with hot water, or a dedicated yogurt maker to keep temperatures stable and consistent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.